Let's talk business. I started doing videos and photography realistically 2016. Didn't do my first ever vlog until late around Christmas time 2016. I was as nervous.
No!
I'm not gonna beat around the bush, I really was. But as I kept doing stuff in front of the camera, I feel at home now in front of the camera. It does not bother me in the slightest being in front of the camera. Camera. I didn't learn all the sort of different techniques with filmmaking, such as settings on a camera that really make, you know, things go. The lighting, everything else. I never got into that sort of stuff properly until around about 12 months ago. I had never even shot a photo in my life in anything but automatic. Now, I wouldn't shoot anything else but manual. I just wouldn't. That's just crazy.
Don't be tripping.
Anyway, so I started doing a photo of the day on Instagram, maybe earlier this year. I still try and upload as much as I can, but COVID really derailed my photo of the day thing. I was actually going for the 365 days straight, which unfortunately was derailed, as I said. Video work has always been on this YouTube channel, yada yada yada. Never really thought of it as being something I would do for other people. Then I did one business because they know me well, thought I'd just help them out, and this video has done so many good things for me personally. One, it blew my mind how actually good it was. Started getting contacted on social media. Would you do work for me? I had multiple contacts after showing some of my work. I had to start a business. I actually never thought I'd do it as a business, but I really enjoyed that first project that I did. I had my website there, and I thought, well, let's see what we can do with this, and that's where Just That Media started. I liked the Just That brand, and I thought I want to use this to keep going and going. I wanted to use this brand to continue and develop a business. I'm offering pretty much what I do on this channel, which is make cinematic content, whether that be the 30-second cinematic teasers. If you want something else, I can do it. Photography stills, some drone work involved, on-screen graphics, which I just love making, and stuff like that. I really want to share my creativity to other people. But it's exciting, you know. My father started a business, I saw what that was like. I've seen other people do it, and I thought that's something I really want to do. I've still got my full-time job, which I absolutely love. I wanted to do this on the side. I want to really explore something that I love and do it for other people. So we got some big projects coming up. Kazz is fully involved. As I mentioned, the Adelaide Hills vlog, she has just developed her skills tenfold. I've started teaching her how to use a DSLR to take photos and that as well. It's been really exciting stuff. You know, the marketing involved, putting magnetic stamps on my car, you know, business cards, redeveloping the website, and to continue to practice and perfect that craft of filmmaking and also photography. Did I take some banger photos last night?
Wow. Damn. Wow. Wow.
Why am I telling you this? I just wanted to share. This is what this channel's about. Sometimes you might see, if you follow me on social media, things that just say Just That Media. That's why the channel on YouTube will always be Just That, because that's what it is. As far as sideline projects and things like that, I will be doing Just That Media for businesses and special events. I'm not touching weddings. Bridezilla scared the shit out of me. Maybe one day, I don't know. The main thing is I don't want to burn out, which I've said in a previous vlog, and I don't think I will, because I am enjoying it that much, doing this sort of stuff, making films. The only thing that really holds me back is weather these days. This morning, for instance, I took the drone out and it's too windy, can't do anything. Nothing I can do about that. Plus, it's my favourite season. Spring, bird swooping season. Just That Media, guys. Check out the web address if you want to see some of the stuff I do. I probably won't put it on the YouTube channel, any of the content I create for other businesses. Check it out, have a look, tell me what you think in the comments. But videography as a business, exciting stuff. I am going to see you very soon on Just That. Don't you worry, videos coming out weekly always. Heading interstate very soon. Hoping to film some stuff where we go. Take care, guys. Thanks for watching Just That. Take care.